there, my name's Amy from Gardening Know-How, and I want to share with you how I made a floral pumpkin centerpiece for only $13. Okay, let's go grab the supplies. First, I have my $3 pumpkin and a $10 bouquet from the grocery store. Or you can grab a bouquet from your own garden. I grabbed a vase that will fit inside, plus my tools, a sharp knife, scooper, pruners, and gloves. So let's get started. First, I loosely measure the circumference of the vase to determine how big I should make the hole. Then I begin to scoop out all of the seeds. Be sure to share these with local wildlife. Make sure the vase sits properly in the pumpkin, then fill the vase with water. Gather your cut flowers and measure them against the height of the pumpkin to make your first set of cuts. Start arranging the flowers in the best pattern that creates a full bouquet with some greenery and flowers covering the edge of the hole. I ended up not having enough flowers, so I grabbed a few hydrangeas and some ornamental grass plumes from my own landscape. There you have it, a quick, easy, and inexpensive centerpiece. And here is the final product after a bit of cleanup. You know, that turned out to be a really fun fall project. I think the planter will live on my dining room table so I can enjoy it for the next few weeks. But I'd love to know if this is something you're going to try. Please let me know in the comments below. I want to thank you so much for watching today, and happy gardening.